Hello, so here's one SAT math problem which I think is very easy. Alright, so don't go anywhere and follow me as we discuss this math problem. Alright, so the problem goes, if function x or f of x is equal to x plus 7 and another function, a g of x, is equal to 7x, what is the value of 4 times f of 2 minus g of 2? Right? So we have two functions given, f of x and g of x. And we are asked what happens if we multiply f times f of 2 minus g of 2. So we have four choices. A is equal to -5, B is 1, C is 22, and D is 28. All right. If you want to solve this problem yourself, you can pause the video and then solve the problem and come back later. All right. So if you want to pause this one, just pause it right now because I want to explain and then solve the problem for the rest of you. All right. So which of these choices do you think would be the answer to this math problem? All right, let's analyze first. So in most of my videos in this channel, I always explain the problem and then tell you the steps that you need to take as well as the strategies. So what would be your approach and the strategy in solving a problem? So here the strategy is you need to plug in the number inside the parenthesis first and then evaluate f of 2 and g of 2 separately. All right? So we are given with two functions, right? F of x and g of x. All right. So this is the strategy that I would always suggest. All right. So you plug in the number to the function of f and g separately, all right? And then once you have solved the functions, then you apply any coefficients, all right? Like if it's multiply, then you need to multiply the function. And finally, subtract them because in this case. So let's go and analyze what is given. So these are the functions that are given. So we have f of x is given to be x plus 7. And then a g of x is also given, which is 7x. And the problem wants us to do this. What is the value if you subtract 4 f of 2 minus g of 2? So according to my strategy, you need to substitute first the value of 2 to the function, all right? So that is why step 1 is you substitute the value of 2 to the function. So we have here the function. If you look at the function above, so these are all the functions. These are both functions f of x and g of x. So what we will do is we will substitute 2 to both of the functions. That means we will replace x by 2, all right? So we will do it one function at a time. So let's go. So we have here function number 1. We substitute 2, all right? So it would be 2 plus 7. So function number 9, or f of 2, is actually 9. All right, what about the other function? So since it is g of x, it's actually g of 2, right? And we have 7 times x, but x is 2. So 7 times 2, it is 14. So these are the values of our functions when we replaced x by 2. That's 9 and 14. Now that we have values of f of x and f of 7, this is the time, as mentioned in my strategy, that you need to multiply it if there is a coefficient in there. Well, we need to calculate this. We need to subtract f of 2 minus g of 2, right? But we need to multiply first f of 2 by 4. So we need to multiply. F of 2 is actually 9, right? It's 9. So we need to multiply it by 4. So 4 times 9 is 36. So now we subtract it. G of 2, right? So it would be 36, which is this, minus G of 2. G of 2 is 14. So 36 minus G of 2 is 36 minus 14. The answer for this problem is 22. Therefore, it is choice letter C. All right? It's easy, right? So just take note that you need to substitute 2 first. Once you substitute separately, all right, you do it for one function and another function. Once you have done that, that would be the next step is to multiply it by its coefficients. All right? So the coefficient follows next. So that is why we multiply it by 4 here, because it's 4 f of 2, right? And this one is not multiplied at all. G is not multiplied at all. So that's why it retains 14, all right? So that's it. That is the answer to the problem, all right? Follow me for more SAT math problem, all right? And some strategies and techniques on how to solve math problems. All right, thank you for watching. See you again next time.